Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to make a comparison video between Wix and WordPress and which one will be the best for you. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you can see we already logging in our wordpress.com and our Wix platform. So both are like a platform where we can create our website. Like if I say about Wix best WordPress is a classic battle between ease of use and flexibility. The best platform depends on your goals. Whether you need a simple website or a highly customizable, scalable platform, here is a side-by-side breakdown. I am going to do it in this video. I hope it will help you find out your desired platform where you want to make your website. So first of all, if I talk about Wix, like is it really easy to use or not, is it beginner friendly or not, then I will definitely say Wix is really beginner friendly for website creation. First of all, it is really easy, like it drag and drop builder. So Wix usually follow drag and drop builder, no coding needed in this Wix website. So first of all, let's go to our website, just select and edit, then it will redirect us to this option, and here we have or we allow to edit our Wix website. So just click over here. Once we click over here, we can redirect to editing panel. So it will take a while and then it will open the editor option over that place. So here you can see that our website is preparing on desktop. So as you can see, we already landed on our editor panel. In here, if you want to add a section, just let's give you an example. Just click over here, add action, and here we have element option. Just click over here, add elements, and you will get lots of element in the left corner. So here I'm going to add a button. So just click over here and drag and drop it to the section. Once you paste it here, you can place anywhere you want. So it is really friendly, and it called drag and drop builder. So here you can easily create your website, and you can easily, like it can say, I can say that it is instant visual editing. So you can preview your website while you are editing it, and the best thing is it is all in one. I can say, like the platform has hosting, the platform has security, the platform also has included builder like the drag and drop. So it is all in one, so you don't need to depend on any kind of platform for using this website. So you can easily, if you are newly in this field or in this industry, then you can easily create this website by using Wix platform. Whereas if you see WordPress is self-hosted by WordPress.com sometimes, but you can use the WordPress.org where you can upload this WordPress in your hosting. So here you can, like if you are not beginner, like you have little knowledge about website building, coding, then you can easily learn about WordPress and easily you can make your website on WordPress. So you need to become a steeper learning curve. Without this, you are not allowed to do work on WordPress. Second requirement is request separate hosting and domain. So by default, WordPress don't even provide you hosting and domain. You need to be purchased it from third-party platform like Hostinger, GoDaddy, and Namecheap. So it totally depend on other platform. Whereas you need to be install plugins for or custom code for fully functionality website. Make a fully functionality website. Without this, you are not able to use WordPress website. So if you literally want a functionality website, then you need to be depend on plugin and custom code. And in this comparison, I can say Wix is really easy to use, and you are getting all in one in Wix platform. Second, if I talk about design and flexibility, then I will talk about Wix.com again. So here I need to mention that Wix provide 800 plus template which are designed already made it. So just we need to go, like let's give you an example again here. Just create a new site Once you click over here, they will redirect you to here. In that place, you need to be click on setup without chat. Once you click over here, they will give you option to click continue, what type of your website thing looking for. So here they are preparing for our dashboard. So here they will give us some template over that place. When I click over here design site, and now you can see they are asking us that do you want any template or you want to it from scratch. So here I will click on pick a template. Once I click over here, they will give me this kind of a template. So I can say they already pre-made a template provided us. Then the second option, the drawback I want to say about it, that limited once published, like template cannot be changed later. So that is the drawback in Wix. And third one is less control over code. So you are not allowed to edit any code in wix.com. So they provided by default template, so you need to be work on those template, and you are not control over Wix. So these are the drawback in Wix. But on the other hand, if we talk about WordPress, then I will definitely mention that thousands of themes are available. May something free and may something are premium. So it's totally up to you. Like if you go to appearance and click on themes, then you can see these are the theme. If you click over here add theme, and you will find out tons of theme over that place, and every themes are free. And here if you want to purchase premium theme, there is some store where you can easily find out premium themes. And the second thing, which is the advantage, I can say, that is fully controlled by CSS, HTML, PHP, and you can edit those code by theme editor option. While you will visit that place, you can easily edit all the coded over that place, so you have full control over codes. And third one is highly customizable with page builder like Elementor. So if you want to do anything like design like high quality, then you can add plugin such as Elementor, and also we have DB and other kind of Elementor, and those provided free option. So you can, with this free option, you are allowed to do design highly quality website. So let's give you a sample. This is the page builder, Elementor page builder, and you need to be installed on your WordPress. So in this comparison or I can say that WordPress is the winner in design and flexibility. So you can see this is the Elementor website builder, more than just a page builder. So if you install it, you can able or allowed to edit on your pages. So that's it. I think in comparison ends here. Then the third one is plugin and features. If I talk about plugin and feature, I will definitely mention WordPress, because WordPress provided 59,000 plus plugin, from SEO to membership to e-commerce plugins. So here we can easily find out various kind of plugin. We don't need to depend on something for using. So here we have the open field or over control we have. And the second is virtually unlimited expandability. Like many service providers sells their plugin over Elementor, over WordPress. So we have various options in WordPress. On the other hand, we talk about Wix, then it is built-in tools. We already get blog, booking, and online store, etc. So we don't have any like various opportunity to grab it. So that is the another drawback. And the next thing is Wix app market has limited extension. So that is another drawback. So for that reason, in this plugin and features comparison, I will go with WordPress. WordPress will be the like winner, massive plugin ecosystem they provided us. So for that reason, I give winner to WordPress. And the fourth one will be e-commerce capability. If I talk about Wix, then easy to set up option we have in Wix platform. But on the other hand, this platform made for small online store, so it is easy to set up. It is the advantage, but it is made for small online store. This is the drawback. And on the other hand, best for simple product catalog. On the other hand, if I talk about WordPress, then I will definitely say powerful and flexible e-commerce by WooCommerce. They provide WooCommerce platform where we can edit each and every parts in WooCommerce, and we can make things complex, simple, and whatever we want. Whereas Wix did not provide us this kind of option. And the second one is better for large or complex store. If you want to expand your business, you can easily choose WordPress over Wix. So WordPress will be the perfect choice for you if you are going to make a business over internationally or globally. Then because of the reason that especially for scaling e-commerce, so that is the main reason I choose WordPress over WooCommerce Wix. And the second is cost and pricing. Like if I talk about Wix, then Wix pricing, you can see the Wix pricing that will be Wix monthly plan is like 16 to 59. You can see this is their monthly plan, and these are not free. You are getting 14 days free plan, but it is totally charges so much money. Like the light version is $9. It starts from $9, and also this plan included hosting and domain, but on the other hand it is sometimes make us complex. On the other hand, limited free plan with ads, that is the main drawback. On the other hand, WordPress has free software, but WordPress needed cost for hosting, domain, themes, and premium plugin. This is one kind of a drawback I can say, or obstacle, but potentially WordPress is cheaper but variable. So in here I can say that both are tie. Both, no one will be the winner. Wix is simpler, WordPress can be cheaper if managed smartly. So here I will say that both will be perfect. Six, I will talk about ownership and control. If I talk about Wix, then closed ecosystem, limited backend access we have. Like we have this only access over Wix, so I can say that we have limited backend access, cannot migrate your site fully. So we cannot migrate our site fully in other domain or hosting. That is another kind of obstacle. So you need to be shipped on always in Wix. You cannot change your website. Second, if I talk about WordPress, that I have fully ownership and control in WordPress. Like I can control over files and content. I have the full ownership and can move my site easily anytime I want. I can change the hosting, I can change the domain wherever I want. Like I have the full freedom and control in WordPress. So I will go with WordPress in this criteria. And if I give you the final verdict, then I will definitely say that if you are a beginner who needs a quick and easy site, then your best choice will be Wix. And if you want full control and customization, then WordPress is perfect for you. And also if you are starting a blog or content heavy site, then also you can go with WordPress. On the other hand, if you want all-in-one no maintenance solution, then Wix is perfect for you. So it's totally depend on your mindset, on your plan, what kind of website you want, where you want to start, how much time you want to provide on your work. So it's totally up to you. So I already give you the comparison between Wix and WordPress. You can take it or you can discuss further more if you want. So if you find out this video is really helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button.